Got the wing I put together last night. Spent time drilling out the hose. Oh, this is the protected plastic on both sides. Obviously, there's no point in pulling that off until I get ready to put on the car. No time. Yeah. Just fully put together. Now I just gotta take out the front bumper. Day 2, outside, had to get my friend LeBrandon. Say, what's up, LeBrandon? Don't do this by yourself. We're figuring out where we need to drill at. The holes and don't perfectly line up. What I mean by that is they do line up. Like you're gonna have to, example, I'm about to pull the side in. Sorry about that, focus is bad. I'm about to pull the side in quite a lot to drill a hole. I may have to make shift a new hole, but again, that's not as bad because I have a lip. If you have the guide hose right here, mine doesn't perfectly line up with the hose. Now again, this thing is not pushed all the way back. If you look in the front right here, again, sorry about the lighting. I cut the line next go around. We want a little bit of a gap like right here. There's no gap right now. Obviously, we're not holding the bumper. That's why. Also, the lip I got right here, you're gonna have like a little bit of air, which is fine by me. I'm cool with that. And we'll have to put end up having to put some screws in here. Oh, there you go, the light. You can see like right there, we want a little bit of a gap, kind of like that. But we're gonna have to push this side in. So what we came up with together, and again, we're looking at the front of the lip compared to the Aeroflow trash. This is fine. This is like proportionate. This is not too big. It doesn't overhang, anything like that. Does look good with the lip. We just have to get the hose drilled properly. So again, 2-person job. He's gonna hold the bumper at the angle we need. I'm gonna do the drilling. And again, Devsport's awesome by providing screws. I was thinking we may have to get longer screws, but no, these will work. We just gotta get one side in, the rest will follow. Again, we'll take out the layout, protected plastic, obviously, and then start drilling. So again, really can't hold the camera and do all this. So we're gonna get one side tacked in and one side the way we think it's gonna look good, and we'll move to the other corners. Let's start with the corners first. Guys, now you've done a lot since way back when. About to put the nuts in here, right here. So you guys that want to see what it looks like. I'll put the nuts in. We're gonna go to the front, but it is secure. Now, obviously, me and LeBrandon have been doing this together. We've been guesstimating as far as, you don't want too much crazy gap on one side. Sorry about that. Versus the other side or whatnot. I would 100% say don't do this by yourself. It's not saying it's impossible, but it's close to it. Because again, you want to make sure everything lines up properly. And we've been out here like an hour, 30 minutes, mostly just drilling the holes, and I had to round out the hose just a little bit because I have a drill bit not big enough for the screws that I provided, but you just make the hole a little bit rounder, not a problem. And I add obviously one more screw here. Now I use the screws that were in the splitter for right here in the middle. As you can see right here, this screw doesn't line up and this screw doesn't line up. So I made my own little hole right here. Like anything aftermarket, sometimes you will have to make your own holes. It's not too bad. It's just take your time, because you don't try to do this before going to work. But so far, it's turned out pretty good. Go ahead and give them a sneak peek, or should we wait till the end? To the end. Wait till the end. Be right back. I'm going to show you one bolt to show you how you do it. So LeBrandon is obviously going to hold one side. I'm going to Phillips the other. That's what's going to put the pressure on it. On these two corner ones right here, you see they're right there on the edge. You can't get a washer in. So everything has washer, but you always want to put a washer, as you can see on the bottom. I left the protective plastic and the washer on the top. All right, so give you guys some ASMR. Ready?
Yeah. You went the opposite way.
Yeah, I went the opposite way, didn't I?
Yep.
Hold it.
Hold on.
I went the wrong way, guys. All right, ready? Go back up. Technical difficulties. Now you got it correctly. My bad. Ready? Huh?
You went the opposite way again.
Bullshit.
You did.
How's it backing out?
Alright.
I did the reverse way now.
Okay.
Because if I do it the reverse way, here's the reverse way. Going out, right?
Yeah.
Going down?
Yeah, it's going down.
You ready?
Go. Try.
I'm saying. Motherfuckers are going the opposite way.
The kids jinxed us.
I'm saying, well, maybe put the finishing touches on it. Since LeBron is the artist, you need to come up. You know that, right?
You said the T need to come up?
I'm saying you need to come up because you're going down when you're pulling it, obviously. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
No, it's good. I'm just trying to bend the back paper.
I got you. Sticking on the sticker. Yeah. It's hard to do the sticker.
Well, usually where you do this, you have water behind it so you can move the sticker around.
It's just true.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's true. But
it gives you more leeway to like.
But I'm sure, Kyle at Devsport would give me more stickers if I required it. Wink, wink. Again, I paid full price, guys. This wasn't sponsored in any way. But for those of you guys that are boosted boys, like us, this video is going to mean something. Compared to that other one I had, yeesh. There you go, the steady hand. The finishing touches. Eesh. And I don't even rock stickers. Look at that. All right, guys, let's check this out. See what this looks like. Finished up. It took us about total because of talk time and film time about maybe 3.5 hours. We'll probably get it done again in like 2 hours. Come on, dog. I help my doggy. She's walking again. But here you go. The finished product. Devsport. We got the stickers on. And it sticks out just enough. Now I still need to go driving. But we just got it done. Just got the install done. There we go. There's your Devsport lift. Now we'll get out in the sunlight to get a better picture of it. But again, that's your Devsport installed with a intercooler with the lower grill. Again, we can probably do it quicker. This next, if I do another lip or whatever, getting it even on the sides, so you are gonna see the gap. There you go. There's the gap. Yeah, it looks real good. Yeah, this is what I needed. This is what I needed for sure, for sure. I'm gonna call this install done. I may give you guys a picture of it outside again. Wanted to get it done because LeBron had to leave. So again, this is definitely a two-man job. It's not a one-person job, for sure. There are two holes that didn't drill because they're like right underneath the fog lights. Might go back and drill those two, but they used every single hole that they had in the splitter and created, as you guys saw earlier, 2 holes because those 2 holes didn't quite line up. So, but other than that, this fits a million times better than the Aeroflow one. It lined up, it didn't overshoot, and as you can see, it's in the middle. They get the Devsport, they get the car, and again, I might have a clip of this outside, but I want to show you guys just in case. Here's the finished product. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Again, I kind of walk through it. It's for anybody that does have a intercooler, which you have to do to get the lower grill, because you do need the lower grill in order to fit the holes. That much is correct. You got 5 holes that require that lower grill, so you will have to modify it if you boost it. Again, if you don't have a front mount intercooler, then you don't have to worry about it because you got the lower grill anyways. But other than that, yeah, looking sharp. So now, got the side done. So now we need to go ahead and get that Honda Factory Performance rear lip. Go ahead and get that done. Got the front's looking crazy aggressive. Look at that. And you guys don't want to see how far it sticks out. There you go. All right. So I'll see you later. The demon eyes. Later, guys. See you next video. Peace. One more thing. So I finally got what the lighten up. No. See, nice where I used to live at. And I got another one on the other side. But I did that to get the shine. It'll be hard. But there's the lip put on. Nice and shine, just wash the wax, everything. Keep on both sides.